Alright, so the weather is actually horrible outside. Today we're actually doing just some arm workouts again. Day 2. It's Tuesday. Oh man, I think I'm catching a little cold. This weather's been changing like crazy. It'll be super warm and then it'll be freezing. So, here we go. It's getting a little easier. I'm still getting shortness of breath, but you know, it is getting easier. My thighs aren't burning as much, which is great. Yeah, it's the end of Tuesday. Alright, it is Thursday, the day before the last walk of the week, and the upload. So we actually, I didn't do it yesterday because look. So we had giant piles of dirt and I ended up having to, you're fine, hon. I ended up having to, well, I didn't have to. I helped shovel a lot of the dirt under the lawn, and I messed my back up pretty damn bad. I mean, I messed it up. After that, I was just mentally just screwed. I couldn't barely walk. Right now, every time I walk, I step on my right leg. I can just feel it in my back. But regardless, you know, it was a good way to test my limit and see, you know, the pain and everything. But right now, for Thursday, since it's beautiful out, we're actually going out into the woods this time. And this time, I'll be able to actually catch some good footage. So, last time the camera died, but here we go. Here is the beginning of the trail from the street. It actually goes down quite a ways. I mean, you could walk for like how long can you walk? Like an hour, hon?
Yeah.
You can walk like an hour in one direction and still be trail. I mean, it goes on and on and on. So. All this skunk cabbage. Swampy area. We're actually heading up towards the creek. And when it rains, this thing gets so freaking high. It's amazing. Like absolutely freaking amazing. Oh, here we go. Ow. Right. Creek actually goes pretty much all the way as well. I'm gonna stop. So I mean, this is beautiful. I mean, look at that. Looks absolutely beautiful. I love coming out here. Started hitting the part where it gets a little bit more muddy. So this is the backyard. And then we've got more of the creek. We're just following the creek right now. Love it. It's starting to thicken up back here. This part right here, our nephews like to swing across because of the ropes right there on the tree. This part right here is a nice flat mound with some dirt right there. There's the rope. Blue in there, but someone threw it up there. They usually just swing right across and come right back. I don't see anything in there. Someone fucking sticking my hand in there. Can't see shit. Ain't doing it. I ain't sticking my damn hand in there. Nope. Okay, we're not gonna get past that one. We should have wore boots because of the mud. There's no way to go around and up through. So we walked in about what, 10 minutes in?
Yeah.
10 minutes in and come to a stop. It was nice. Saw a lot of birds. Couldn't catch any on camera though, but it's awesome. But I'm gonna jump off of this. I'll be back tomorrow. Alright, we are home now. Ended up running some errands today. We did a lot of walking out. So we didn't do the standard around the neighborhood thing, and I did weigh myself this morning, lost another 1.5 pounds, which is good. That's not as much as I wanted, but I mean it's still total almost 5 pounds in the past few weeks or 3 weeks, so not bad. And that's on top of gorging over the weekend over like the worst food possible. I look forward to seeing the comments, and I have heard nothing from my doctor about what else to do. I do got to call them Monday, so to see what the next step is for my back. Other than that, I'm gonna head on out. You all have a great rest of the day and weekend. Stay hydrated, stay safe. Cyneward out.